Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a unit sent over from Alipearl hair. Thank you to Alipearl for sending this unit and sponsoring today's video. This style is super cute. I killed my baby hair right here. I mean, my baby hair has hardly ever looked this good. Even though it be looking good every time I look at this good though, this variety of it, crazy. This part, crazy. This will have that down situation, crazy. This bang, insane. So if you're feeling it, you like what you see, be sure to keep on watching and we can get on into it. My laptop is broke. I don't have my original intro, so all I gotta say is mwah! And you already know who it is. Huh? Okay, thanks so much for listening to my version of my intro. It's gonna be over now. Thanks, bye. This is me just showing y'all that I plucked the fuck out of this wig. That's it. You know, look at that. I have a tutorial up already, and there's me looking good with a wing liner. Who would have thought y'all see me with a wing liner again? And also, who told me to have this big fat ass bun in the back of my head? Nobody. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw on this wig, make sure it's all settled and where it needs to be. This chocolate brown is given. It's given. And I have almond nails. Almond nails and a wing liner. Like, what is JaLeah doing? Who is she? I'm about to get these ear tabs, cut them out, pull them out. Y'all know what I like to do. I'm not gonna explain too much because it's kind of self-explanatory, but I'm so sorry my camera keep going in and out of focus with this mirror right here. I'm sorry I'm coughing like that. Like, what's going on for real? I'm gonna get this ear tab out. It's gonna be going. My wig gonna be snug, and I'm using these little baby bitch scissors. Should I have used these scissors? Probably not. But they're for sewing and they're really sharp. And I don't know. I felt like it was getting like in there, but then I was like, it just need to happen faster. So I got this razor and I got it like that, and that's how I got my ear out. I'm gonna get this little last piece out and I'm gonna pull my ear out and out. That's what I'm gonna do, period. Anyway, so what's tea? What's going on with y'all? You know me, just barely making it through life, suffering tremendously through it all. But you know, that's life. That's a meme. That's probably what the meme. That's a meme reference. Anyway, yeah, life is pretty right now, but you know, at least I can look very good. You know, I'm holding on to the fact that I'm beautiful and that is what's gonna be my saving grace. So I'm just gonna put one layer of this even spray on it and just let that dry. And honestly, if you're here right now and you constantly watch my videos, I just am very curious. What do you watch me for? Do you watch me for the new styles? Do you watch me to like hear my little quirky intro voiceovers? Like, what do you watch me for? And like, what would you like to see from me? Because honestly, I'm at a point where like I want to hide. I want to not be in front of nobody actually. So what do you like from me? What do you like to see from me? And what like, yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. What do you like from me? What do you want to see from me? And how can I like be a better content creator for you besides like uploading 24/7 and doing vlogs? Because I don't know about the damn vlogs. Like, I don't know. Vlogging is cute in concept, but then like in doing it in action, I don't know. It might not be my thing, y'all. Not might not. I don't think it is my thing. So outside of vlogging and like, you know, uploading consistently 24/7, like what would you like to see from me? That's what I'm wondering about. I'm very curious to know. I'm gonna hit this other corner because like I don't know, like I'm about to tell you about how I sprayed this spray on my hairline. It's like, I know you know this already. You know, like, do you want me to like shorten my video so that we can just get past the install process and we can get to the style? Like, what is it that you want to see from me? Like, if you were my PR exec, like what would you be like? I don't know why I sprayed it so close to my face right there, but if you're like my PR person, you'd be like, hey JaLeah, like we need to see more of this. I'm thinking I could do more sewing stuff. Like I did a one sewing TikTok and it got taken down because I was smoking in it. But like I really do enjoy sewing and it maybe would be nice to like showcase that. But like also like I'm really having this thing about I don't want people to like do what I'm doing. Like I really don't think, I think people lack individuality. I think even I'm starting to lack individuality in a way because we just stay on our phones and like we're like, oh, I seen them do this and I like when they do this and I'm gonna do it too. Like of course we need inspiration, but like I feel like we're not even like being ourselves anymore. Like we're being like a concept of a TikToker who does the I don't know. I don't feel like diving too much into that, but I want to do like things that JaLeah wants to do, and I want to do them like how y'all can see them, because I honestly just think it's crazy. I'm just talking y'all's ear off, I guess, because y'all know what the fuck going on here. I'm just getting my part out. Let me just say what I gotta say and then we can get back to the wig, okay? I promise. I feel like, what was I gonna say? I feel like it's absolute insanity that I have 80,000 subscribers and only a good you know, 0.5% of them see my videos, you know? It's like really disheartening to know that I'm putting this effort in and that like my audience isn't even seeing my content. But oh, here's me showing y'all the depth of the wig. It's 13x4 all around. So that's me showing you that. But anyway, like every time I post on TikTok, it's like, oh my god, I love your YouTube channel. I love your YouTube channel. It's like, where are y'all at in the views though? You know, like why isn't YouTube pushing my content? And so I'm just thinking like, what do I have to do while also staying true to JaLeah, while also like trying to, you know, consistently be on here despite the fact that YouTube is blackballing me. And I don't know, like that's why I'm really curious, like what do you want to see from me besides some vlogs? I can't do the vlog. I can't do the vlog. I can't do the vlog. I can't do it. But I also like love being creative and doing new things and trying out things and showing people how to do the things. But I also like have this imposter syndrome going on. It's like I don't really want people to be like me, you know, like I don't know. But like what do you want to see? I haven't dived too much into my thoughts on that. Maybe I'll do a full video talking about how I feel about why I fucking hate Instagram. I don't want to post anymore and why social media sucks. But like, you know, outside of that, what do y'all want to see from me? I don't want to be negative Nancy on here either. That's me showing you that I cut it in a zigzag line. That's enough about my personal things, you know, going on. We can get back into this tutorial. I'm just using this even spray to get on the edges and just really, you know, seal everything in. I'm gonna do it on all 3 sections. Maybe even I'll split the other one into, you know, I'll split the sides into 2 sections. I think I did that. You know, do whatever feels comfortable to you. We know how to do this install shit at this point. So maybe I just don't need to leave this in anymore. Like, I don't know. What do y'all want to see? What do y'all want to see? Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me. And also, like this video. Like, I don't know what could help me to, like, fully reach the full depth of my audience. But I don't reach the full depth of my audience right now. So I'm just wondering what could I do to, like, to make that happen. That's all. So, like, I'm begging you. Like, if you are listening to this right now, leave a comment, just anything. Tell me what you would like to see, like what your suggestions are, like all that. That would really mean the world to me. And also like this video. And by you leaving a comment, hopefully that'll push it up some more on YouTube if somebody cares about my video content and like would show it to my other 80,000 subscribers. So, you know, that would be nice. Anyway, I'm blow drying it down. It's looking real good. I had to show y'all up close about it because it just looks so good. I'm putting this band on again, sealing it off, leaving it on. I left it on a good little while, actually. It looks like I took it right off, but I promise I left it on a good little while. And this is me showing y'all how good it looks up close. Yeah, I be doing this hair shit. I don't know. I be doing it. And it's so easy at this point, like, it's nothing. Anyway, baby hair time. I'm just pulling my baby hair because I'm about to put this hair in a ponytail. And, like, it just makes it so much easier to just pull it out first. So, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I'm done talking y'all's ear off. I'm about to let this shit go through because I don't think I have anything important to say until right now. Until maybe I do. So then I'll come back and say it then. But right now I don't. So. Right now, I'm just gathering up that hair I want to use for my half up, half down. Nothing crazy, just like a slight half up, half down. I wanted it like to the back. And also, I was supposed to put a clip in it because I don't know why I talk about people being inspired. Like, you're not allowed to catch inspiration because inspiration is like the main source for creativity. Like, you can't make anything without getting inspired first. Like, let me not act like inspiration isn't necessary to be creative, you know? But also, like, I still wish that people could be their own individual person. But anyway, I seen this hairstyle on the Dollkin on Instagram, and it looked real good. I made a few changes to it because her bang was real short. You know, it's like I gotta wear this frontal again, and my bang gonna be all short. Like I don't know. I would insert a picture, but I don't feel like it. So you know, the Dollkin is she had this hairstyle in for like the past few days, and it looked really good. And I had to copy it because that's how inspiration works. So. Yeah, I got my ponytail on the first try and was like really proud about it. I don't know why I didn't show it in my face, but like I was very ecstatic that I didn't have to do it again. Although you do see this little bump back here. I'm lying. I did do this ponytail again. I don't know why I thought I wouldn't fix that bump. I would fix that bump. And also I'm going to take this wig cap off because you can see straight through this lace. It's so HD. So I left it on for now, but I will be sliding up under that wig and taking off this wig cap.
Still, I mean,
this is hot. There goes my seal of approval on the bang because I was really fucking with it. I thought it was real cute. I knew it was gonna be hot. It was hot on her. I knew it was gonna be hot on me, you know? Pulling on my baby hairs. I had a real specific idea of how I wanted my side part baby hairs to look. So I was getting that together. Getting some more baby hair from the front, from the bang for the other side of the baby hair. And I'm gonna get to curling and cutting and curling and combing and all that jazz with the baby hair. So I'll let y'all go ahead and watch me do that. Once I finish my last little loop-de-loop, I call it a day and I pull out my bang. And y'all know me, I can't not have no flat wig. Now, was the seam touching my hair, my head? You know, was it hurting me? Yes. Did it matter? No, because it had to be flat. Like, it just had to be. Like, it just has to be. So that's what you got to go through to get a flat ass wig. And obviously I'm going to spray some Sebastian Shaver Plus on top. But that's me like realizing how far I was going to cut it. And I decided there was a good length so that it could still be used if I chose to do another style. Her bang went all the way up to her chin, you know. And that's cute, but like, how are we going to wear this wig again? You know, how are we going to wear the wig again? I thought I was going to do this little clip up situation. I did it a few times. I thought maybe that this was going to be the one. I just didn't like it. Like, I just didn't know how to put it up. So I didn't do it. And so I tried to figure it out. I mean, I did it again. I did it a few times. I tried a smaller clip, you know, to make it work. You know, and I really tried to make it work. So I did it again, you know, different way, and put it back and was like, no, it just wasn't. I don't know what she did to do her little clip, but that was me trying to figure it out some more. I did a little Sebastian Shaver Plus to just make it like stand up a little bit more. And yeah, and then I thought that was kind of cute, but then I didn't though. Like, it just wasn't. I wanted to like it so bad, but I didn't. So I just let it go for now. But I put a little concealer onto my parting space so that I could just, you know, give it that pop out look. The look I really like for my side parts. You know, just really side parting it up. Wanted it to be real side party. I just be saying anything. Oh my god. Yeah, and then I tried to touch it up some more. And yeah, whatever. At this point, I realized I had to cut my hair. I just wanted it to be blunt on the end. So I just like brushed it out really quick. And yeah, how old are you? Grown. My body is not a political playground. Shout out her. Her ass, this is how I look. It's my best friend's shirt. Shout out my best friend for leaving the shirt at my house. She's not getting it back. So, you know, sorry, Kyrie. It's my shirt now. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and I'm gonna bump the ends. You know, real nice, real soft style. Obviously, I had to do it again. So, boom, that was a good one. And I'm gonna do the other side. Press, 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 and curl. Boom. That's how I like my ends. So then I went ahead and did my bang again. And at this point, I'm feeling myself. I went ahead and put on my Skims dress. Shout out Kimberly. You know, she not a good person, but she make great clothes. Or whoever making them clothes, they be doing it. I look good. This bang was banging. Half up, half down was still looking good regardless of the clip. And it's time for real JaLeah to step in. So that's all for today's video. I had to take out the clip because I wasn't really feeling it. I was trying my best to like it, and then I didn't like it. So, you know, it had to go. But I really like the slick back, half up, half down, like at a lower point. If I was leaving the house, I would wrap a little piece around the base of this to make it just look a little bit better, you know. And honestly, is anybody gonna be my ass if they see my ponytail holder? No. So it is what it is. I look good. I like this brown color. This is a beautiful brown. It's like the perfect brown, actually. Like, it's looking very good on me. All right, well, that's all I gotta say. Be sure to check out the description box for all the links on this hair and all the links for all the products I used today. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful. Hopefully my laptop is fixed in my next video so I can have my song on here. You already know who it is. Mwah. It's JaLeah. Watch my next video, please. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Bye for real this time.